Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's most powerful and smartest phone ever. If you're looking for the perfect combination of performance, battery life, and premium design, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the ultimate choice. So, stay tuned till the end, because I'll be sharing all the exciting features and updates in detail. What's good? Pros. 1. Performance and chip. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A19 Pro chip, built on a 3nm process, which delivers noticeable improvements in CPU, GPU performance and energy efficiency. 2. Display. Large 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR LTPO OLED panel, with 120Hz promotion refresh rate for smooth scrolling. Very high peak brightness, approximately 3000 nits, which helps under bright outdoor light. 3. Camera system. Triple 48 megapixels cameras, main, ultra-wide, and upgraded telephoto. Improved zoom, hybrid, optical, and low light performance. Pro video features like ProRes RAW, Genlock, dual capture, front plus rear, recording, etc. 4. Battery and thermal management. Larger battery capacity in Pro Max version. Reports suggest approximately 4,823 to approximately 5,088 mAh. New cooling system, vapor chamber plus better heat dissipation, helps for sustained performance under load. 5. Connectivity and charging. Faster wireless features. Wi-Fi 7, better Bluetooth, possibly improved satellite features. MagSafe improvements. Wireless charging, maybe reverse wireless charging, though that's less clearly confirmed. 6. Build and design. Premium materials. Apple refined design details, slimmer bezels, sturdy frame. IP68 rating for water, dust. Some color and finish choices that look elegant. What's less good? Trade-offs, cons. 1. Size, weight, and handling. It is a large device, 6.9-inch, which means it might get bulky, heavy, especially for one-handed use. Slightly thicker profile to accommodate the larger battery. Some may not like the extra bulk. 2. Charging speeds. While wireless charging and MagSafe have improved, wired fast charging still lags behind many Android flagships. Apple hasn't made massive leaps in charging wattage over competitors. 3. Price. As expected with Pro Max devices, it will come at a premium. The asking price is very high. Value per taka, or other currencies, depends heavily on the storage variant and whether you buy an official, imported model. 4. Marginal gains for some users. If you already have a recent Pro model, iPhone 16 Pro Max or similar, some of the upgrades, camera, battery, may be incremental rather than transformational. Not all features, e.g. some Video Pro tools, are relevant for casual users. 5. Feature uncertainties, rumors. Some elements are still rumor, speculation. Exact RAM, front camera under display, further zoom improvements, etc. Also, reverse wireless charging and super high wired charging speed are not fully confirmed. Verdict. Is it worth it? If you are someone who wants one of the best phones in all categories, camera, display, performance, battery, and are fine paying a premium, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is very likely to deliver. But if you're more price sensitive, or if many of the flagship features are overkill for how you use a phone, just calls, social media, occasional photos, then a lower model or even last year's Pro model may give you most of what you need for significantly less money.